So most people don't start side hustle because they feel they don't have the money, they don't have the time, they don't have the experience, or they need a bunch of skills to get started. But all that is irrelevant because it's passive income, meaning you could earn money while doing whatever else that you're doing. And let's be honest, no matter how badly we all want to be rich, building passive income is not all about the money. It's more about investing in our future, so we don't get to work a typical 9 to 5, trapped in a cubicle in a soulless company. Because sufficient passive incomes gives you the freedom to pursue your passion, whether that's giving to charity, traveling the world, or just chilling at home. All that matter is that you get to make that choice and not some ranking boss at the office. And that's one of the ultimate form of freedom. So people are making thousands of dollars selling low content books. Low content books are those stuff like journal, notebook, planners, calendars, and people are making thousands of dollars just by selling something as simple as that. Let me show you a glimpse of it.
So on Amazon here, if I type in planner and use Jungle Scout's Chrom extension to gather data on sellers that are selling planners, you can see these are all planners right here, and these are their monthly revenue. This one has made over $396,000 plus in sales monthly revenue, and this one has made over $182,000, and this was just published on June of this year. So you could see other sellers as well that has made huge amount of monthly revenue just by selling planners, and this is
so you could see from the tool I just showed you how much people are making just by selling planners. Something as simple as planners, people are making thousands of dollars just by creating planners and selling it on Amazon KDP. This is a side hustle I just started doing myself, and I wanted to share it with you guys because we can all win together. And this could be something that you're doing to start making money on Amazon. And the good thing is that because you're selling on Amazon, Amazon handles everything. They handle the shipping, they handle the printing of the book, binding it together, and they handle the customer services as well. All you just have to do is to design the book, what's going to be inside. What are you going to design? Is it going to be a journal? Is it going to be a planner? Is it going to be a notebook? Whatever you want to design, whatever it's going to be inside, all that's on you to just put it together. And you don't even have to be a designer, because I know I'm not a designer myself, and that's why I use a software called BookBolt. The reason I love BookBolt is because it makes creating low content books very easy. But before we move on to the step of me showing you how to create your low content book on BookBolt, the very first thing that we need to do is to research on what kind of book are we going to sell, what is selling in the market, because we don't just want to start creating books and hope that we'll get lucky and start making sales. No, we're not going to do that. We're going to research on what is selling, and the tool I'm going to use is the first Chrom extension I used to show you guys how much people are earning on Amazon, and that's Jungle Scout. So let me show you the benefits of using a Jungle Scout extension to research on products and some of the features that will help you determine what kinds of low content books you really want to put your effort, create it, and publish it on Amazon KDP.
So let's quickly search on Productivity Planner and use the Jungle Scout Chrom extension to gather data from sellers that are already selling this planner already. So here you could see their monthly revenue right here from sellers that are selling this planners already, and these are their daily sales right here, and also their monthly sales, the amount of sales they're making in a month, and also their prices, as well as also where we're going to get inspiration on how we're going to price our own planner. So you could also see their average monthly sales right here. Up here you could see the average sales rank, the average price, the average rating number. This opportunity cost shows if this planner is in high demand, which is in high demand, and also with a high competition. So another important thing is where you could see this lookup keywords. This is very important because this is what's going to make our book rank high on Amazon. This will give us sales. So these are all competitors' keywords that we're going to use when we are about to publish a book on Amazon KDP. This is after we might have finished designing our planner, so we'll use all these keywords right here, and we'll pick any of this planner right here to get inspiration on how we are going to design our own planner.
So now that we figured out what kind of low content books sells on Amazon, what we need now is to go to BookBolt, and I'm going to show you a live demonstration on how you can create this low content book.
So when you log into your BookBolt account, you just go on to research right there and click on create, and click on BookBolt Studio, and it will lead you to another page. Just fill in the information right here, and then choose the number page and create your project. So right here, just click on hide cover template, so we'll be able to start creating our book. Go to Pixabay or either on Splash. This is I just drag and drop because all these images are here, but I'll pick this particular one right here. So we just drag it to cover everywhere and you just start designing your book. From here, it's very simple. It doesn't really need much design, so we just cover it. And I'll just go ahead and add one more thing right here to just make the book looks a little more, so I added this here. So the next thing is just add your text, and we're going to do daily productivity planner, and we'll change the font to whether you can change the font to whatever you want. So go ahead and change the color. That's what I like. I wanted white, so I changed it to white, and we're done. So we'll go ahead and choose which interior we're going to use. Since it's a planner, just come down here, you see different types of planner. So you click on it and there are different types here, but I'll go for this one down here. So it's that simple. You just get to preview it and see if this is what you want. Then you go ahead and use this planner. Click on it and you can see it has all the pages you need because I choose 90 page, and our planner is ready. You can see that this is really simple. So this is our planner. You can see how it looks, and we'll have all the pages that we need because I choose 90 page and all the 90 pages are here. So you can see right here. And the next thing that you will have to do is to download your planner. Just go to project, click on download this project right here, and it's as simple as that.
So now that we've finally created our book and everything is set, we've created our cover, we've created our interior. So I just want to let you know that the book software that I use has a monthly subscription, but it's super affordable, and BookBot has also given you guys a 20% discount, and I will link it on my description box below. So the next step now is to publish our book on Amazon KDP, and I'm going to show you step by step. So let's just dive right into it. Let me show you how this is done.
When you log into your Amazon KDP account, you just create paperback. Click on that, add your book title, and then go back to your computer's page where it showed you that arrow. Click on it and you will see all the high ranking keywords your computer is using. We're going to need most of this for a subtitle. You just add it right there, fill out this other basic information right here. Scroll down where it says description. Just go ahead and use your computer's keywords as a guide to writing your own description. You can always pull out on their page and see how they've added their own description. Use it as a guide. And the next one is these keywords, where you have to, the most important section, go back to your computer's top keywords and add 7 different keywords. This step is really important. Just take your time, go through those top high keywords and then add it back here. So choose a category. What we'll do back here is to go back to our computer's page. Now scroll down to the bottom. Here you could see, click right there, click on the link, and here you can choose your category, and so you just go ahead and complete the other basic details and publish your book. It's as simple as that. Go ahead and click on your category, add your prices, add other basic details, and then go ahead.
So you could see how easy that was. If you want to put effort in designing it really well, you can create this within a day, publish it on Amazon, and let Amazon handle the printing, the shipping. So whenever a customer purchases what you publish, you will get your percentage. You can start making thousands of dollars monthly just by following the step-by-step process I just showed you. With those steps combined, will gives you the best chance to start making passive income and start earning in thousands of dollars monthly just by selling low content books. So if you want to join me, as I've also started making my low content books and I'll be documenting my joining, all you have to do is to just, if you haven't subscribe to the channel so that we can all share ideas and help each other. I hope you enjoyed this video so far, and if you've seen it other ways to make passive income online, I would recommend that you watch this video right here. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, kindly subscribe and support the channel, and I hope to see you in my next video. Stay safe. Peace.